For now, let's just set up our user profile's name as my name. Okay, now first let's start by connecting the admin PC to the wireless router. So first let's use the straight through cable and connect the fast Ethernet 0 on the admin PC to the Gigabyte Ethernet port on the router. Okay, after that, let's configure the admin PC to obtain its IP address automatically using DHCP. As we can see here, the PC successfully received an IP address, which means the connection to the router is working. Next, let's open the Open browser on the admin PC and enter the router's IP address, which would be 192.168.0.1. So we have logged in using the default username and password, which is admin. Then now let's configure the internet settings by changing the connection type to static IP. And then we've entered the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway and DNS server based on the given requirement. And then after saving the settings, let's test the connection by opening the web browser again and accessing the server's website. As we can see, the website loads successfully, which means the network configuration is working properly. So that's all for now.
Now we want to change the router to login password. So for that, we must open the PC admin. After open the PC admin, we go for web browser. And then we type the IP address is 192.168.0 and 1. Then go to the administration. So in administration, to username we set as admin and password is Cisco.
Then we should go to wireless and then basic wireless settings. Here we set the network name as PBU Office. After entering these details, we should disable 5 GB 2 and 5 GB 1, and then we should save settings. After that, we should go to wireless and select wireless security. Under the 2.4 GB settings, we configure the security mode as WPA2 personal. Then we create a passphrase, which in this case is PBU #11001. After that, we click save settings to secure the network. Then we click on the laptop device and go to desktop, then select PC wireless. We refresh the available networks, choose PBU Office and enter the password PBU #11001 exclamation mark. After clicking connect, we test the connection again by opening browser and visiting www.cisco.pka. If the page loads, the wireless connection has been successfully established.
Now we want to changing the LAN IP address and DHCP range. So for that, we want to go for home router. From home router, we want to go GUI. GUI. In GUI, we can see the basic setup, and from basic setup, we want to go for under the root IP address. So this is the root IP address, and change it to 100 or 10.181. After that, we want to go start IP and change the start IP to 10, 180 and 100. Then the maximum number of user is 50. Then DNS1 IP address is 209.165 and 201 and 1. That's all. Then we want to save the setting. So that is for changing the LAN IP and DHCP range. So after you done all these tasks, you want to save the file. So for save the file, you click the file and save as to this name, cs_pka_01 packet tracer. So that's all.
Okay, at first go to PC admin. Okay, and then go to desktop, and then go to terminal, and then insert IP address. Okay, and then insert username and password. Okay, go to administration. Okay, insert router password and re-enter to confirm. Okay, save setting, insert username and password. Okay, setting are successful. Continue, and then go to setup, and then we need to change the IP address to 10.100.80.1. Okay. Okay. And then we save setting and request times up. Okay. Okay, now